Hello, welcome everyone. Now in this program I'm going to show you how to find the area of square, rectangle or triangle using function overloading. Okay, C++ program, C++ program to find the area of square. First we'll take square, come, then rectangle, square, rectangle and triangle. Okay, using function overloading. See, what is meant by function overloading? Function overloading means if a function is having different data types, multiple data types or multiple number of data types, okay, then it is called as different types of data type. When a function is having multiple arguments or multiple data type, then that function is said to be function overloading. See here, now I'm starting the program. Hash include iostream.h, then hash include conayo.h, then hash include stdlib.h. As I said, it is for standard library function. Then hash include math.h. This is for doing mathematical calculations. Now we'll take class. Here I will take it as function overload. Okay, function overload. Then start the class definition. That is and now this program, it depends on using member functions inside the class definition. So for what we have used, every program was outside the function member function, using member function outside the function definition. Now we are working with the program by using the member function inside the class definition. Okay, those programs were we have solved by using member function outside the class definition. Okay, and now see, this is the member function inside the class definition. See here, I'm taking float area. Okay, for area I'm taking again that as float a. Okay, what does it mean? See, it is to compute, that is to calculate, or we can give it as calculate area of a square. Okay, for area of a square I have used this line, that is float area. Okay, directly we are taking public. And remember one more thing, if we have not given any member data, okay, by default it will take the member data as private. Okay, remember that, don't forget, if you have not given any private member data, then by default it will take the member data automatically. Okay, return. Okay, we're using the function return, that is a into a. Okay, here return function we have used. And then see, this is what called as function overloading. See here, float area. Okay, again we are taking here float, and this is L, don't get confused. Okay, for using length and breadth, misspelled I have here, float length. Okay, then float breadth, length and breadth. Okay, we can take directly as length and breadth also instead of using L and B. Yeah, I will take so that you should not get confused. Okay, length comma float breadth. Okay, like this, float length and float breadth. Okay, this is to compute. Okay, I will show you clearly here. Yeah, now here I am showing you, this is to compute what can I say, yeah, to compute the area of a rectangle. Length into breadth is there here, So it is to compute or to calculate, okay, area of a rectangle by using length and breadth. See here for float we have taken float A, and here for float area, we have taken float A, and again for float area we have taken float length and float breadth. That means multiple data types we are using for the same function. Then it is called as function overloading. Hope you have understood this. Okay, now after float, then again here what we have to do, see we are using inside the member function everything. Return what we have to return, length into breadth. Okay, see here we have taken float A, okay, to calculate the area of a square. Here we have given return A into A. Here to calculate the area of a rectangle we have taken length and breadth, and here we are using length and breadth, returning length and breadth. Then close, press F2 to save. Yeah, okay, this is our ith program. Okay, ith program, that is what can function overloading. Okay, function overload dot cpp, function overloading. Now see here again I am taking the same function, that is float area, and I am taking again more functions for float space s1 comma float space s1, here I have to give s1 comma float space s2 comma then float space s3. Yes, see, but this is function float area, it is a function, area is a function, it is having data type float, so we should not give semicolon to this function. Okay, start calculating float. Yeah, here I am giving to calculate area of a triangle. Okay, for calculating area of a triangle I have used this one. Okay, that float area. Why? S1, S2 and S3. What are these three? These three are the sides of the triangle. Okay, side 1, side 2 and side 3. See, private. In private we have to take A, float A, then float length, float breadth. Okay, S1, S2, S3. Since we are using the member function inside class definition, so we have not taken any data member under private access specifier. Okay, and what we have taken, A, length, breadth, S1, S2, S3. These are all by default they are calculated as, okay, they can be included as, by default they are read as the private access specifier. It means they are data members by default. Now we take float space s equal to, we are calculating, okay, s1 plus s2 plus s3. Sorry, here I have used s1 plus s2 plus s3. Okay, then divide it by 2, then semicolon. Okay, then return. See, everywhere we have used return. What to return? Square root of as into, okay, s minus s1, okay, into then s minus s2, okay, close parenthesis, into then s minus s3. This is we are calculating the area of a triangle. Okay, s3, then close semicolon. Okay, one bracket is for this open bracket we have closed here, and this opened we have closed here, so it is okay. Now come back, sorry, not here, s3, then divide by 2. Okay, now come back here, press the curl brace, close the curl brace. Then after that, see, here we are closing class definition. So this means we have taken everything inside the class definition. So this is what called as using member function inside the class definition. See, this program is little bit lengthier. Okay, so we will calculate this. Now we are starting the main function here. See, void main. Okay, enter, then open curl brace, then we have to take float, okay, space, something odd here, yeah, float space s1 comma s2 comma s3. See, we are reading this here. Then int choice. Choice means choice is for entering that choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, like that. When the program goes down, I will show you how we will enter the choice here. Okay, then I have taken function overload, okay, space f. This is object. Then here I am giving CLR SCR. Like this we will use member function inside the class definition. Okay, then while 1, okay, don't give semicolon, close. Often and often keep saving. If the power fails, then it should not create you any problem. See out. Okay, here program demonstrate function overloading. Okay, this is simple. If needed we can give, otherwise no need of this line. Okay, without this line also, without this statement also, the program will be executed. Okay, since we are using the function overloading here to demonstrate function overloading, simply just this line has given, no need of this line. Okay, see, 1 space 1 dot, I told you that to enter the choice, here we have taken into choice. Okay, so here for choices we are entering now. To find point 1, to find area of a square. Okay, to find area of a square, then endl. Next, see out. That is, now what? Second choice. Okay, to find area of a rectangle. To find area of a rectangle here. Okay, and L semicolon. Then see out. Third choice. To find area of a triangle. Yeah, to find area of a triangle. Now next, fourth choice. That is, we are giving here fourth choice as, what shall we do here? Fourth choice, it is exit. Very interesting program it is. Okay, exit, then endl. Okay, then after that, see out, enter your choice. Enter your choice. This line is for entering choice, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and everything. Next is what? See in. Why? Here we are asking to enter choice, so we need to give input as choice. Okay, so I am giving input here as choice. This is our choice. Okay, I am saving often and often. If any problem occurs, then the program must be safe. Okay, yeah. Now go to the switch statement. Now switch, we will make use of switch statement. Okay, switch choice. Okay, here I am giving comment that to switch, okay, between choices. Okay, we are making use of switch statement. Then now here, to switch between choices, don't include these comments, these are blocked lines. Okay, don't include them in program. I am showing you to understand every statement. Okay, it is not the part of the program. It is blocked line. See, it is in sky blue color. That is, it is blocked. Not green, neither white, nor yellow, neither red. Like, okay, it is different color means it is blocked. Wherever I am giving comments, okay, the comments are blocked. Okay, they are not the part of the program. Now, case 1. Case 1. Case. Okay, case should be white in color. Case 1 colon. I am using here C out. Okay, let me check. C out. Okay, now enter the input for square. Okay, enter the input values for square and L. Here we will take, what will take? C in S1. Okay, input value for square. C out. Okay, area of square equals, okay, here area of square is and L. Then here we will use break statement. See, wherever we use case statement along with the case, to close this case we will use the break statement. Okay, now come to case 2. See, case 2, to close the case we will use break statement. C out. Okay, enter the input for rectangle. Yeah, then and L. Okay, then C in what we have to give? C in, it is S2. Okay, next C out, what we have to give? Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Okay, rectangle equal to, then and L. Okay, now for closing case 2 we will give break. See, after every case statement, okay, we need to give the break statement. After each case we need to give the break. Now case 3. Here case 3 space C out. Okay, enter the input for what? Triangle. Enter the input for triangle. Here we have to enter input for triangle. Okay, sometimes these things will happen, like as I'm not looking keyboard, just I'm keep on continue typing. Okay, so here we'll do S3. Okay, S1, S2 and S3. See here, look here. We have taken S1 for first one. Here we have to take S1 and S2. Why? Because for rectangle, length into breadth should be there. Okay, then for triangle, all the three sets, that is S1, okay, as I said earlier, okay, S2, then S3, including all the three things inside one scene function or cout function, cout statement. Inside one single cout or single scene statement, we are using more than one variable. Okay, then it is called as cascading of operators. Okay, here what we have to give? Cout. I am saving so the program can remain. For that, area of a triangle. Area of a triangle equal to, then and L. Sorry, here area of a triangle, then and L. After that, what we have to do? Give break. Then the last case, case 4. Case 4, it is see out. What is there here? End of program. Okay, for end of program, any symbol, anything you can give here. Okay? No need of any particular symbol. Yeah, and then here we are giving get ch. Okay, and exit 1. Exit 1 means if you press any option there, then it should get exit. Then by default, I will take on default statement. Default. What is the default statement? See out. Here, see, the default statement is invalid choice. If we give choice more than 4, like 5, 6 and all, then it will show us that this is invalid choice. Okay, for that by default I am giving here invalid choice. This is I am saving. Okay, to don't get confused that what I am doing here and everything. See get ch. See, this get ch is come out of the case statements. Okay, and this get ch is to come out of the program. Okay, one here we are closing and we are closing one here, then saved. Now we'll check the errors. Alt F9. Why this is a little bit lengthier program? Wow, we got only 2 errors. See here, function call missing. Function call missing means it is showing here. See, look here, it is showing. What we have missed? We have missed one closing parenthesis where the line where it is showing at the end of this line here. After S3 we have opened here, but we have not closed after S3. So it is showing this error. Here we have closed. Press F2 for saving. Again give Alt F9 to check whether any error is there. Yes, one more is there. Press enter. That is statement missing. It is showing statement missing. It is showing in this line. Yeah. Why? Because here I have given, see here I have given 2 closed parentheses. So it is showing statement missing. I will delete this one. Okay, saved. Check once more. See, there are no warnings and no errors. Now the output will be really mind-blowing. See, control F9 for running. Yeah, it is showing error. Undefined symbol main in module. Where it is? Oh, got little bit problem. Main, we have got main problem. Yeah, why? See, I'm giving control F9. So you find out why. Here instead of main MAIN main, I have used MIAN. Yeah, like this type of errors will be created. Okay, main. I think now everything is okay. Now give control F9. See, after clearing errors also, okay, when I pressed control F9 for running, okay, then it showed error. See how interesting the output is. To find the area of a square, press 1. To find the area of a rectangle, press 2. To find the area of a triangle, press 3. For exit, press 4. These are the choices. Enter your choice. Here I will put, oh, I made a mistake. 1. Invalid choice. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I'll put 4 here to exit. Program got stuck. Okay, to come out, I'm going out of the program. I will restart the program from here. Then we'll see afterwards what will happen. Okay. Now, since I have pressed the right hand side keypad, number keypad. Okay. So we should not use this number keypad. I have started file, then open. Directly we can press F3. See here, function overloading. Then press enter. Then press F5. Okay. Now I'm giving control F9. So I have practiced that using right hand side keypad. Now I will use this one. Enter your choice to find the square. Enter. Here, enter the input for square. What we have to enter? Okay, we'll enter just 5 centimeters something. Here enter the area of a square equal to it is not giving the area. Okay, is it right? There is a problem. Area of a square. So I will press 4 and we'll go back. End of program. Okay, here why it is not giving the result, we have to see the area of a square. Yeah, area of a square equals, I think I have to give S1, S2, S3 here. Yes, everywhere, everywhere I have to give area of a square. Okay, after that F dot area. Why this one? That is, it is S1. Okay, it is S1. Then we will give endl. Here we have taken the object, that is F. Where is it? See, I'm showing you. See, the function overload F is here. We need to use this object. We have not used anywhere here. So for that thing, it is not giving us the result. Okay, for area of a square, it is giving like this. Then for area of a triangle, here we will see F dot area. Since, see here, only S1 is there. So along with class name, along with the object and function, we are using just S1. Here S1 and S2 are there, so we have to use here along with area, we have to use both the things, that is S1 comma S2, then close after that like this. Okay, then here under case 3, to find the area of a triangle, here S1, S2, S3, all the three things are there. So here, where at the area of a triangle, I have to give F dot area, then here S1 comma S2 comma S3, all the three things I need to give, then only the result will come in proper order. Now we will see control F9. There are no errors. Okay, first one, area of a square, will enter 5 centimeter. Then area of a square is 25. Okay, now we'll enter second choice. Okay, enter area of a rectangle. We need to enter length into breadth. Okay, length is 2 centimeter. Okay, breadth is 3 centimeter. That is 2 into 3 is, area of a rectangle is 6. We have got. Press enter and I will enter the third choice. Okay, that is what? Area of a triangle. We need to enter 3 sides. That is 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. I think, yeah, something different it has got. We have to calculate the area like this, area of a triangle. Okay, then it is asking enter the choice. To go out of the program, we'll enter choice 4. I will show you. Instead of entering 4, if you enter 5 or 6 choice, I am entering 5th choice. If I press enter, then it will show us invalid choice. Okay, then again it is asking enter your choice. So I will enter 4 to get out of the program. After pressing enter, it is showing end of the program, and press enter. Hope you have learned a lot by this program about function overloading, and this is a really mind-blowing program, and this is the good and very excellent program and very interesting program. So with next video, in our next video, we will come with our next program. Till then, thank you.